Hello, and welcome back to Tech Nomad. My name is Brandon Warren, and today we're going to talk about one of the most controversial EV companies of our time, Tesla, as you may have guessed, and how they are shorting out in the electric vehicle market. Before we get started, go ahead and click the like button below and help support the channel. Thanks. For years, Tesla has been the face of the electric car revolution, often credited as a trailblazer in the electric vehicle industry, and pushing the automotive industry towards a more sustainable future. But lately, it seems that they're starting to stall out.
The pioneering electric car company Tesla has suffered a series of very public challenges.
In recent years, the company has severely struggled to keep up with demand and deliver consistent, reliable, and well-assembled cars, allowing legacy car manufacturers and other startup EV competitors like Rivian and Lucid Motors to catch up. These newer EV startups are setting themselves apart by offering much better quality, communication, and customer support, leading to a more enjoyable ownership experience overall. So, let's take a closer look at what they need to do to remain a prominent player in the growing EV industry. Tesla has been plagued with quality control issues since its inception. The company's vehicles feature misaligned panels, leaking windows, weird rattles, and inconsistent paint jobs, among much more. In the Consumer Reports annual reliability rankings, Tesla ranked second to last in 2021 and 19th out of 24 manufacturers in 2022. Even the company's CEO, Elon Musk himself, has admitted that the company's build quality suffered when production ramped up.
Yeah, no, that's true. I need to figure out how to be better, and then we can be better at meeting goals.
Just a side note, it's still suffering despite declining sales.
Oh man, it didn't go through.
And while it's not surprising that the products created by legacy car manufacturers have excellent build quality, even other smaller EV startups surpass Tesla's. These companies maintain a much closer focus and standard for the attention to detail and reliability of the cars they put out. One of the main reasons for these struggles is that Tesla's operations mirror those of Silicon Valley startups, rather than a traditional automaker. And while Tesla's focus on rapid innovation and disruption has fostered technological advances, the company tends to prioritize research and development over final product and distribution, resulting in seemingly unfinished products.
Are you sincerely trying to save the world?
Well, I'm trying to do good things, yeah.
Though, unfortunately for everybody, it is not all just cosmetic issues. There are also many vital safety concerns. With malfunctioning self-driving software, cars randomly catching fire, and steering wheels just falling off. And every time a new incident pops up, Tesla is quick to downplay it or just look the other way.
VW has thousands of car fires every year.
That seems a little bit like either superhero or supervillain.
Actually, let's take a second to talk about Tesla's full self-driving software, a promise that has repeatedly failed to materialize, despite repeated sales pitches and price hikes. Tesla's self-driving software, known as Autopilot, is an advanced driver assistance system designed to allow Tesla vehicles to operate autonomously with minimal driver input. Autopilot uses a combination of cameras, sensors, and machine learning algorithms to interpret and respond to the environment, including other vehicles, road markings, and traffic signs. Despite the high expectations that surrounded the release of Autopilot, the rollout of the software has been slow, with frequent delays and missed deadlines. One of the reasons for this is that the technology is still in its development stage, and there are many technological challenges that need to be overcome before fully autonomous driving can be achieved. So, to help accelerate the development of Autopilot's AI training, Tesla has implemented a beta program that allows users to pay $15,000 to test and train the software in real-world driving conditions. Just as a side note, if you want more information on how AI works, my next video is going to explain just that, so subscribe to make sure you don't miss it. While Tesla's Autopilot beta program has helped Tesla identify and fix bugs, even its name is slightly misleading. raising concerns about safety in general. Is it really autopilot, especially if you need to consistently monitor it? Has that branding lured its users into a false state of trust for the system in beta? Regardless, Tesla has been reluctant to admit any wrongdoing, arguing that its software is not to blame, and that accidents are the results of the driver's error or other external factors. The accolades of having developed a self-driving technology and the profits that it generates for the company has blinded them to the risks that it has for the customers that use it. In comparison, other EV startups are taking a different approach to autonomous driving altogether. While they are also working on self-driving technology, they have enhanced focuses on safety, transparency, and regulatory compliance, emphasizing the importance of driver assist features, and have remained cautious about rolling out autonomous driving capabilities that are not ready yet. And speaking of company rollout, another area where Tesla struggles is its logistics. The company has lacked the consistency of legacy car manufacturers, resulting in hit-or-miss delivery times and logistic problems. Some customers have even shown up to delivery centers to find that their cars were damaged in shipping or not ready. The company has struggled to keep up with demand, resulting in delivery delays and frustrated customers. Additionally, Tesla has been criticized for having too few service centers, making it difficult for owners to get their cars serviced or repaired. Tesla's logistic problems have been evident in the delays and production issues that have plagued Tesla's Model 3 sedan. Despite receiving more than 450,000 pre-orders in 2017, Tesla struggled to meet demand with production delays and quality control issues, leading to a slow rollout. In the first quarter of 2018, Tesla produced just 9,766 Model 3s, well below its target of 2,500 per week. And it's not just the Model 3. There's a similar story for the Tesla Semi, Tesla Roadster, the Tesla Cybertruck, and even their solar roof. Remember those? All this is not to poke fun at Tesla's transparent design process, but more to showcase the failed promises. In contrast, Rivian and Lucid Motors take a more deliberate approach to production and delivery. Rivian is building its own service network and has established a transparent communication platform with its customers. Similarly, Lucid is taking a more hands-on approach, offering white glove service and delivering cars directly to customers' homes. When compared to these other companies, the differences in reputations are stark. With the company's extreme focus on profit and lack of regard for consequences, it's no wonder that Tesla's reputation continues to fall. Riding on the coattails of being a viral sensation as the company that popularized EVs, Tesla's quality control and logistic issues have wreaked havoc on the company's reputation. In addition, Musk has been known to engage in Twitter feuds, make controversial statements, and display erratic behavior.
People should lighten up, okay?
According to a survey conducted by Morning Consult Brand Intelligence, since January of 2022, Tesla's favorability has halved from nearly 30 to just 13% for all US adults. The majority of that decline is by those who identify as Democrats. Elon Musk's actions alienate an entire market of progressives who are more likely to buy EVs in the first place. Musk's public image is increasingly seen as a liability for the company.
People are nervous and they're worried.
Not such a smart move for a smart man. So, what can Tesla do to remain a prominent player in the growing EV industry and slow its bleeding market share? Well, for starters, the company needs to address its quality control issues and improve its customer support and communication. Tesla also needs to work on expanding its service centers and make it easier for owners to get their car serviced or repaired. And when it comes to autonomous driving, Tesla needs to focus on delivering a reliable and safe product instead of making unrealistic promises that it can't keep. This will not only improve the company's reputation, but also avoid any future legal issues or investigations. And let's not forget about Elon Musk's public image. His actions have directly led to massive declines in Tesla's favorability. Elon has to clean up his act if he wants to see his company start to grow again. Or the company may be better off without him. Yet they are still a force to be reckoned with in the EV industry. But it has lost a lot of ground to competitors. If the company wants to stay relevant, it must address some of these issues. If you liked this video and want to see more like it, please consider subscribing to this channel and ring that bell to get notified when I post more. If you really liked it, please share it with somebody. It'll really help me a lot. But until then, thanks for watching.